Hi everybody, ProTrader Mike. I'm founder of MOJO Day Trading. Welcome to an amazing event put on Benzinga today. Oh, so wonderful, this options bootcamp. You're going to learn so many strategies, but hopefully today I'll differentiate and I'll show you my systems. Because when you have strategies, that's different than a system. As you could see right here, I want to point out one thing. A plan is a system. It's an arrangement, a pattern, a definite purpose that doesn't allow for deviation. If plan A doesn't work, you don't alter to plan B. And I've got 3 systems that work based on positive expectancy over and over. And the first one I'm going to show you is a system that Warren Buffett uses himself in my option strategy called the triple threat. So again, I'm ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Please grab a pen and a piece of paper and let me explain to you an amazing option system and the strategy underneath it that makes it work. We'll get into that. Warren Buffett is his name. And I don't know if you know about insurance, but he loves insurance. Let me show you what he does. The key to understanding the usage of put options lies with Mr. Buffett. And the key is the knowledge about the insurance industry. Buffett built his fortune with the help of insurance holdings. As he wrote to the shareholders in 2010, insurers receive premiums up front and pay claims later. This collect now, pay later model leaves us holding large sums of money we can float that eventually goes to others. Meanwhile, we get to invest the float for Berkshire's benefit. What most investors forget is that options were originally created as a form of insurance. And like Buffett, standard insurance holdings, selling an option is selling insurance to your counterparty. Specifically, someone buying a put, because you're selling a put, the buyer is hoping to protect the gains or cut their losses. So when you or Warren Buffett sells a put, you're assuming the risk in exchange for the premium like a property casualty insurer. Let me show you on an example right here that Buffett did on Coca-Cola with the shares trading at 39. He determined 35 was a fair price. So he sold 5 million put options at 35 because he wanted to buy 5 million shares. But instead of 39, he sold 5 million put options at a 35 strike price. If the behemoth Coca-Cola fell to 35, the option buyers, other known as the counterparty, would put their shares to him for 35. Buffett would be forced to pay 35 a share, but he was perfectly fine with that because it's better than 39 when he first saw it. He could take a 10% discount to the current price and collect $1.50 premium on $7.5 million in total premiums. This was the money he could keep regardless of how it fell. Now, a lot of you guys out there are beginner option traders. You have no idea what really that means. So like on my MOJO Day Trading show, I've done 1,800 YouTube shows. I do one every day on the ProTrader Mike, so be sure to subscribe to that also. Let me show you give you an example on a pair of sneakers. Okay, so let's say you have right here, give you a perfect example. Let's say you have right here a box of sneakers. And they're Nikes. You love the Nikes. They're new. They're $100 a pair. Give you an example. And they're in the store. They're $100. You love them. Love the $100 sneakers. All of a sudden, this person comes along, but wants to protect themselves. They're going to buy the put for the $100 put. The premium they're going to pay is $20. Okay, just as an example, $20. That would be in 2 months if you had to hold it. So next month, the coupon's for $10. So we'll only go out 1 month. The longer you hold the sneakers not to buy them, the more the coupon is. You can go out 3 months and they'll give you a $30 coupon, but you're not going to get the sneakers for 3 months and you want them now. So here's the strategy. The $100 sneakers, you're going to sell 1 pair. You want 1 pair of the $100 strike price. That's the cost of those sneakers. 1 month out is $10. So the coupon you're going to get, just like Buffett's example, is $10. And you got to wait 1 month from now. So on May 18th, it will expire. On 3 things are going to expire. You get to go to the store on May 18th. 3 things are going to happen. The price of the sneakers is $100. Great. The put option expires worthless. It's not going to be exercised and the sneakers are going to be put to you. You get to go buy them at $100, but you get the $10 coupon for the premium, so it really only costs you $90. That's a great deal. The second thing that can happen is the price of the shoes actually goes higher. Great. They went to $105 a pair. The put option expires worthless. You keep the $10 premium for doing nothing. Great. I'll pay $105. I got a $10 coupon. I made $5 ahead by waiting 1 month. The third thing that can happen is the shoes could actually fall down, let's say to $95. Great. They're going to put them to you at $100. You got to buy them at $100, but you keep the coupon for $10. You're $5 ahead of the game. So it's a win-win-win scenario. That's what Buffett does. And in scenario number 3, that thing comes down. He's going to buy a lot of sneakers because they're cheap and he likes them. And he's going to take over the shoe company. So that's part 1 of the triple threat strategy is you bring in this premium to sell the put. The next thing you do simultaneously is you buy the shares. So buy 100 shares of that stock at $100. $100 stock. And then you're going to sell 1 contract called a covered call. It's an option to sell that stock at $100 next month. The premium is $10. Same coupon. So in 1 month on May 18th, 3 things are going to happen. The stock is going to be $100. Well, it expires worthless. You don't have to sell your shares. It's not above 100. It's at 100, so it expires worthless. You keep $10 for doing nothing. So you paid $100 a share for a $100 stock. You just kept 10. You own it at 90. The second scenario that can happen is the stock stays the same. This scenario, it stays the same. This scenario goes higher. It's worth 110, 120. It doesn't matter. You own it at 100. You got to sell it at 100 no matter what. You keep $10. The only way you'll lose is if next month it's above 110. You don't get anything above 110. No big deal, but you're locking in that $10. The third thing is the stock goes down. Great. You keep the $10 for doing nothing. If it went down and you owned it at 100, you'd own it at 100. Now it went down, you keep $10, you own it at 90. And you do another option for 6/18, for June 18th, and you do it again. And that's the triple threat strategy where you sell a put, number 1. So you're selling the put, then you're buying the stock, and then you're selling the covered call. So if it goes higher, you're winning on the put, you're winning on the stock, and you're winning on the covered call. If it stays the same, you're winning on the put, you're winning on the stock, you're winning on the covered call. If it goes down, you get the shares put to you, you wanted them anyway. You still own the shares of stock, and you win on the insurance on the covered call. It's a win-win-win. And that's my triple threat. And I've done that all this past month in the last 90 days on a lot of great swing picks. Like American Airlines when it dipped right here, AAL on 3.9. I bought it at $14.50. I sold the $14 put for $2. Expires on the 17th. And I sold the $12.50 covered call for $1.10. So if it's above $12.50, I'm selling it. I keep $1.10, and it's not. It's at $11.50. So I'm going to be keeping this $1.10, and I'm going to be getting some American Airlines put to me at $14. But I keep the $2 premium, so it's really my cost is $12. And I keep this $1, so my cost is $11, and the stock's $11.50, down 20%. So any person just buying American Airlines on 3.9 is down 20%. I'm ahead of the stock because of my triple threat. And that's what we got going on there. So hope you like that, guys. It's 10% of my game plan, all my options and my covered calls. I've been in 22 trades. The youngest one is Crone on 11/17. I picked it up at 5.25. I've been selling covered calls ever since. I have the $7 covered call, expires on 5/15 for 45 cents, bringing in 8.57%. So that's that right there. And the next thing we're going to move into are the picks right here underneath. And these are the swing picks. These are all based on what's called the Can Slim system of picking stocks. That's CANSLIN. Show you that real quick. So check this out. This is the Can Slim system. The Mojo Swing Trade newsletter is a weekly newsletter sent out every Sunday evening. The picks are presented in an organized fashion, and it's based on this system. Basically, I scan 8,000 stocks in a database by MarketSmith, developed by William J. O'Neill, editor of the Investor's Business Daily, author of the book How to Make Money in Stocks, the #1 bestseller on Wall Street for the last 25 years. What he did is he studied every winning company in the history of time that ever doubled, tripled, and quadrupled, and they all had 7 similar characteristics. So I've developed on the small cap side stocks from 50 cents to $10 that display growth characteristics similar to that formula, that system that's worked for years. Millions of people use it. I've just made it a little bit better. So right here you have all the Ken Slim stocks, NXTD that I'm in right now, to Parcel Pay, to all these down here. And this month we've closed out 66 trades for 58% win, 88% win rate, 17.3 average gain on a 12-day hold. And some beautiful names in there. APA went oil last week from 450 to 955, hit 100% on that. A lot of really, really great picks with the Ken Slim system of picking stocks. Now, a paid newsletter, which my swing is, should be results oriented, right? Here's the picks in the last month or two. iBio from 38 cents to 305. Sava, $1.48 to 11. Codex from 3 to 24. Trill, 500%. Savara, 353. BKYI and CLSD and so forth. Every single pick, win or lose, for 6 months from July of 2019 to March of 2020 are right here in this newsletter. It's 216 pages. I'm not going to go through them, but this is the newsletter that you get every Sunday night. All picks have an emphasis on the Mojo small cap style of trading. Comes in this PDF format. The next page is the structure on how you scale in 3 entries into every buy, on how you scale into the position. The rules of the newsletter, how you sell for profits and maintain stop losses. Then 9 picks with a comic strip. You have IFMK right here at 67 cents, the food delivery on 3/8 of 2020. Food delivery when everyone's quarantined. I picked it right there before everybody at 67 cents. Stock went to $4. ABM, big one. They clean up parking and janitorial security for commercial and retail. Manufacturer of street cleaning machines right there. Bigger company. Document security went from 19 to 52. BKYI from 52 cents to $3. And then the week before, 5 picks. DGLY, Hexo, PSTI from 4 is at 9. All these great picks in the newsletter. iBio, 36 cents right there to $8. Yeah, in 2 weeks from 2/7 right there. iBio from 36 cents. Synesis, Sin, Ogin, GHSI at 30 cents, 80 cents. The week before, Dynatronics from 98 to $4. Bimmy, Livix, Glow, LLIT, Many names you've heard of. I think we're going to dump. I picked UVXY right there at $38. TVIX, it went to 1,000. So that's the Swing Trade newsletter. It's results oriented. It's based on this amazing Ken Slim system, and it's sent out every Sunday night. It's a service that I have for working professionals that can't be in the day trade room. It's $149 a month. It's amazing. Let's go to my day trading. Day trading is a system that works, and it works big time. I've made a career out of it. I've been able to say, honey, I'm not going into work for the man. No, no, no. I'm staying home. I'm giving up the health insurance, and I'm going to make $500 to $1,000 every day. Because imagine this. You had a system for your trading that made it almost impossible to lose money. Every time you placed a trade, you won. Would you want that system? How much would you pay to learn that system? My name, again, is ProTrader Mike. I've been a trader for over 25 years, and for the past 8 years, I've created a MOJO Day Trading chat room, along with the online stock trading courses. I've taught hundreds of traders how to trade. The first thing I'm going to teach you is a glitch I've discovered. It's a glitch. It's going to hit winner after winner. You know how I know this? Because the proof is in the pudding. Meet ProTrader Alan, my first student in 2012, paid me $2,000 to privately coach him in the room. He's right here right now. If you take a look in the room, this is the MOJO Day Trading room right here. The room is in read-only mode. We hit our goals for the day very early today. I'll show you right here. We traded this stock called Works, WORKX. Right here. So the open happened very nicely at 9:30 with PSTI, buying it through Heinz 9, my system, which is the Heinz trade play, buying it right under the even number of 9, and then buying CANF at 213 to add it higher. And there's the PSTI right there. Sold for a loss, repricing. Okay, sold it for, it didn't go higher. Watch what happens. So we're repricing right here. I bought 1,700 shares at $8.34. I'm up $284. PSTI, I have 700 shares left. I'm up 12 cents. Watch. PSTI, 870. Then this other stock made a move, Canif. See it? Rhett made 183, Soares 281, Allen 1567. This is today. Mar 763, Bloom 2634, Bama 453, Joyce in the demo. She's a demo trader. I'm coaching her. 100, Ace in the demo 95. Everyone in the room's making money, guys, on my picks. Following my picks, Canif and PSTI. 64, 22. The big one didn't even come yet. And there's DocuSign. I picked it at 91 to go 91, 2, 3, and 4. It did do that exactly as I planned. Then we did PSTI again at 835. And here it goes, 840, 850. And then right here, only one way on this work stock right here, WORKX. I bought 3,000 shares at $5.58. The stock went to $13. Right there is up $476. Watch this trade. 2,500 shares, I'm up 20 cents. 2,500 shares, I'm up 25 cents. I'm telling everyone in the room exactly what's going on. I'm going to buy 20,000 shares through 6. I ain't kidding. I got 23,000 shares at $5.83. I'm down $1,500. I'm playing it for positive expectancy to go through 6. It went to $13. If I would have held it, I would have made $160,000 on that trade. I held it. 13,000 left. I'm up 4 cents. Okay? I sold the block at 10. Just because I was down 1,500 to a positive 500 is a $2,000 move. I said, okay, If it dips again, I'll rebuy back to 10. Otherwise, I'm good with 13. And PSTI is up 44 cents now, and I got 600 left of them. Allen's loving it, and then I got 10,000 left. I'm up $1,600 on Works with 17 cents. Allen's up $2,000. Bloom's up $4,000. He's up. Batman's up, and then it goes, dude. Look, I have 4,000 left. I'm up 31 cents. I have 3,000 left. I'm up 36 cents. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. $1,200 profit. $405 profit. Unbelievable. 2,000 shares left. I'm up 57 cents. Calling it out in the room on the mic. You see my screen share live. I go like this, live in the room. Live chat. There's a live screen share. I can go live and share my screen in real time. It's beautiful. Disconnect from that chat. And then right here, I got 1,000 left. I'm up 70 cents on that stock on 1,000 shares left. It's amazing. Then I got 300 shares left. I'm done with that baby. You know what I'm saying? That was a great job. Great job. And then I needed a break for some coffee. So that's what we do. I made 4,270 in this one account just on that one trade. So that's what I do day trading, guys. And one guy, Alan, in the room right here, this guy was my first student, been with me forever. Check it out. This is Alan, minute 4:57.
Yourself, what your new life can be like. And incidentally, Mike's system is so good, and I only trade his picks, that I haven't had a losing trading day since November of 2014. You heard that right, folks. I have not had a losing day since November of 2014. I do have losing trades, however, but never red for the day. Thanks to Mike and his system and staying on the reservation.
Yeah.
Right, folks. I have not had a losing day since November of 2000.
Not had a losing day, guys, since November of 2014. Okay? He's taken my MOJO Day Trading course 8 times. He paid me $2,000. Right now, it's yours for free. Here's the curriculum, what it looks like right here. So you have MOJO University, level 1, hour and 12 minutes. They're all videos. Hour and 5, hour and 58, hour. If you make it past level 7, you'll have 50 aha moments. I guarantee you, like the other traders in this chat room, the average pro trader is with me for 4 years. So if you take this course, you'll get 50 aha moments. I guarantee it's the best thing you've done out of anything out there. You're not paying anything for it, so you don't have to complain to get a refund for it. It's free. Once you become a member and trade with me in the chat room and get my swing trade newsletter, it's the Benzinga Combo Pack Special. You go to mojodaytrading.com/Benzinga and you'll see the special, be able to join. My email's info@mojodaytrading.com if you have any questions. And the course is absolutely phenomenal. Let's go like to level 2 right here. Enroll to unlock your course. So that's what you need to do, guys, is enroll to unlock that course. I'll show you right here. You go to mojodaytrading.com, press in Benzinga, and then click go. And you'll see right here, 30% off. You get both services, save $50 a month, plus the MOJO Day Trading chat room, the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter every Sunday night and some during the week, and my day trading course absolutely free. It's 30% off. The day trading room's open 24 hours a day. We live trade from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Real-time screen share with HD 1080. You see it in crisp, clear. Myself, just like right now, as you're seeing me and speaking. And instead of this website, you see my day trading platform. And I'm calling out the trades. I'm telling you how many shares I'm in, how many shares I have left, and you're mirroring the picks. We're all making money. It's an amazing thing. You're going to get the course for free. And that's it, guys. So listen, thank you, Benzinga, very, very much. You could follow me on social media, guys, and on YouTube. If you go to Twitter, I'm ProTrader Mike. I have 54,000 followers. I post all day long. You could see I post works right here at $13. Pick of the day. And I picked it down here way, way, way early right here in the beginning of the day. Works at $5 right there. Picked it, put it out there. Right here, works again, works again. Show me the money on works. Show me all the money. Here it is again. UVXY to go through 50. Called it. Look at this trade. At 50.02 is now 50.63. And here's works again at 10. See the high 1070? See the high on that one? Beyond, we traded the meat. And then you got $11 right there. High 11.13. Boom, high 11.48. Stock went huge, up huge, huge, dudes. Look, 14.19. So that's me on the Twitter. Follow me there. And I want to thank again Benzinga. Give me a thumbs up and a like if you watch my MOJO Day Trading show on YouTube. And I want to thank everybody for checking me out and checking out the special. And I look forward to seeing you in the chat room. Peace. Keep it profitable. I want to thank Patrick, Sarah, and everybody over at Benzinga. They're wonderful, great to work with, and looking forward to work with you all again and helping out you like you helped me, helping your peeps, bringing them into the room and making them money. So again, thank you very much. Peace. Keep it profitable. ProTrader Mike. I'll see you around in the chat room. Take it easy.